What's up guys, welcome to another video. And we are doing a collab. Also in this video, we are gonna be using the 3 new cars in the season race, and it's gonna be some. So let's get right into this video. First car we gonna use is the Broman to 6TB. Okay, let's start the race. While we were bored, waiting. Okay, now I need to focus. No, what the heck, lol. I need to catch up. Nice red moon. Bro, he turned into Flashford. Well, the flash crash. Dang, this is fast as hell. Nice first place and 22 trophies and 24,000k, dang. Now we are going to use the Paganib the name as much. Chi, bro gots red and red rims and the red calipers, dang. And white with red interior, dang. Dang, he almost passed me. Dang, first place again. Wait, what? I thought I was first, but now I'm second. Well, now we are using the Koenigsegg Strong. Serious mod activity, because this is not good at any track amount. Dang, he dusted me. This isn't the new cars, but we're just gonna use it because I'm grinding for the new car and need 6,000 trophies for the other new one.
Take that and rewind it back. Lil John got the beat to make your booty go.
See that drift? Well, goodbye guys. Go see Nick's video to and subscribe to his channel. Please help him reach 53 subscribers. I will leave his channel in the description below. Goodbye y'all. See you in the next one.